single na kagaya mo, Happy Singles Day.
So, cheers to all mothers. Napakaswerte ng mga mothers. Okay. Ang ating nanay ng Diyos Gugma, si Ginang Lota Piña-Florida.
Dapat nasa likod na agad sila.
Next, from Rise Our Hope in Life, Mami Lalata.
Okay? So, ang ating susunod na mami, nanay o mama,
Sabi niya, wala
from
photographer,
CA, Maricel L. Reyes.
wow, may audience impact?
Next, from
ADG, walang audience impact?
Family Group, no other than Maria Rita Tingaro. Okay, nadako tayo sa Hong Kong Filipino Biblical Pastoral Group, Mama Evangeline Kalipusan.
Ang ating mama naman, from Love of God, si Mami Mama Lea O. Dalion.
Next, from Our Lady of the Sky Presidium, Mama Sheila Romero. Bongga ng mama.
At ang mama naman ng Queen of Angels Presidio, si Mami Susan M. Dasilio. At ang susunod nating mama, may kausap ang ating partner.
From Sons and Daughters of Divine Mercy Group, Mama Maritres Vitor. Opa, saan na dyan?
Ikaw siya. Nagulat ako doon. Tapos kinusyak ako bigla. Anyway, ang mama naman ng ating Sacred Heart of Jesus, si Ginang Mami, teka ka muna. Mami Rosita B. Gualino. Kayanin mo nga siya, mama. Okay.
Opa, ang purple. Okay.
Sabi niya, ayusin mo kagawa.
From Santo Niño Crusaders Group. Sisilingan to eh.
Sikat na sikat yan.
Si Mama Evangeline.
Piramide. Isa yan.
Piramide.
Ate dito ang gagawan. Okay. From the Lord's Block Sunday Group, si Mami Lucille C. Delphine. Siya pala yun. Mami ka na pala.
The last but not the least.
Okay.
Anak tawa namin yung ano.
Sino ba yung gagawa? Ikaw kasi daldal mo eh.
ayos mo sa kanya. Ikaw mo muna sa second lang.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Estrella Corterosta, kilala sa lahat ng lalatangan. And I'm married to a Chinese. And this time, I'm 71 years old.
Dito ni Mayor.
Thank you, Ma'am Clara. Tawagin natin ang kanyang coordinator, Miss Tan.
My name is Marisol Reyes. I am 44 years old, mother of two wonderful grown-up kids, and I am proud to represent Christ the King Group. And I believe in the words of God. From Proverbs 22, verse 6. Train up a child the way he should go.
Nila mamaya.
And when he's old,
Malakas may mababa.
he will not
Hindi,
depart from
pwede naman yung
God's
nabas, diba?
Over na sa mukha. At ang kanyang group coordinator, Christ the King Group Coordinator.
Ang ganda mo!
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Mother's Day to all. I, Maria Caboy Baset, 46 years old, married, mother of two sons and two daughters, and I'm proud to represent I believe in God's word. Psalm chapter 37, verse 5. Command your way to the Lord. Trust in Him and He will come. And I thank you. Once again, happy Mother's Day. Tawagin natin ang kanilang group coordinator, Ate Lucille. Very cool, mommy. I love this mommy.
So, you seek the first the kingdom of heaven and will be granted everything. I, Marianita Garcia, I'm 65 years old. A single mom with one daughter, 40 years old.
Para po.
In my life, I believe
Ay, malayo.
that you have to strive. You have to be stand firm. You have to believe God that everything in His name
Sinom ko na
will
kasi
be
yan.
granted to you. I thank you.
Tawagin natin ang kanilang group coordinator. Miss Rami.
Single na single, ang kanilang coordinator.
Ang kanilang coordinator ay manang-mana sa kanilang ina.